to my channel. My name is Mariah. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. So today what I really want to chat about is how to just instantly improve your mood, improve your feelings, improve your emotions, and that's something that I feel like I've gotten really good at in the last few years. This is something I really used to struggle with all throughout high school and college. You know, I would always watch these other people go through transformations, and I would see them go from being someone who was maybe really narcissistic or just really negative to someone who was super optimistic and who was always like uplifting others and super inspiring. And I'm like, what just happened there? What did I miss? Like, can you teach me your ways? And then I finally had that happen, and now I get it. So one of the ways that I think is the absolute best to instantly just uplift your mood is to take some deep breaths. And the reason for that is because when you rebalance, or when you take those deep breaths, it's rebalancing your body, which might sound really weird, but basically it's giving your body, your nervous system, your mind, everything a chance to just slow down and reset, so that you're not trying to continue rushing through your day, rushing through whatever you're doing, being stressed, being like, oh my gosh, I have to get everything done, and there's not enough time in the day. It just gives you a second to like literally breathe. Like, it's really crazy that breathing is something that helps our body so much, and we don't pay it more attention more often. So that's one of the first things that I think will really help elevate your mood quickly, and at least just bring you back to where you are very quickly. The other thing that I think is really helpful is actually listening to your favorite music. So it doesn't matter if this is a new song, if this is an old song, if this is, doesn't matter what it is, just listen to an old, laugh at me right now, that'll uplift your mood. Listen to a song that makes you feel good. So if your favorite song is a sad song right now, no listening to that, okay? Stop playing that. If you need to feel sad for a bit, play that song, give yourself that one song to feel sad, and then snap out of it, move on, pick a new song, let it play, and feed off of it. So something that I've actually always loved doing, and I didn't realize why I love doing it until honestly like a few days ago, is I love watching music videos. Love it. So what I recommend doing is go out and like find your favorite song. If you've never seen the music video, watch the music video. I'm guessing it's probably gonna make you feel pretty good. But whatever it is, try to like put yourself in that video. So maybe, you know, if it is something really good, honestly, something that I'm loving right now is Ariana Grande's 7 Rings. Just, I want it, I got it. Yes, girl. So I just put myself in that, and I'm like, yeah, I feel great. Like, yeah, if I want it, I can get it. And it's true. So when you put yourself in that place of, you know, whatever music, whatever song it is that you really like, or whatever music video it is that you really like, put yourself in that place, feed off of their energy, their vibe, you know, as long as it's good. Like I said, don't be putting yourself in a sad song. You don't need that, but put yourself in that place and just absorb everything that you can. And that kind of goes along the lines with this next one of get yourself around people who make you feel good. So be around people who are really positive and uplifting and motivating and inspiring, even if that just means on YouTube, on Instagram, you know. Stop following people on Instagram and everywhere else, Facebook, who make you feel like crap. Stop following those people, or at least, like I said, just unfollow them. You don't have to unfriend them or anything. You can even put them on mute if it's on Instagram, but get them out of your everyday sight so that you can actually focus on things that do make you feel good. So if you're not physically around people who make you feel good, surround yourself online with people who make you feel good, because one way or another, you are absorbing that. You are absorbing that information, their vibe, their feelings, their emotions, their complaints, their excitement, their triumphs, their worries, their hopes, their dreams. You're absorbing all of that. So be conscious of who you're allowing into your circle. So this very last thing I actually wasn't going to share today, but it just came to mind, so I'm going to share it. So the last thing that really helps me is once I get myself into this positive state, I put myself in a bubble. Tell me how crazy that sounds. So what I mean by that is I actually create a bubble around myself. It's not real. I imagine it's real, but you know, it's not something you can touch and feel. No one else knows it's there. But I put myself in a bubble, and what I do is I give it a color, I give it a texture. Mine's always the same. You pick what yours is for you. And I imagine that I am the only person who has a key to get through this bubble. if other people try to get in it, I'm the only one who can choose to allow them in or not. They can't choose to force themselves in. No matter how hard they try, they can't get in. I'm the only one who can let them in. And that's really just a big metaphor for, allowing people into your feelings, into your emotions, into your energy field. And I know that this is a big training in yoga as well, is kind of like with cutting cords. So, everyone that you come into contact with, creates a bond, creates a cord between you, and you can choose to cut that without necessarily like hating that person or wanting to just never talk to that person again, but just not emotionally being attached to them anymore. And so I find that something really, really helpful is, for me, I pretty much do that just with a bubble. And I say, okay, I'm the only one who can choose to let people in my bubble or not. And if I don't want to let you in my bubble, I don't have to. And if I do want to let you in my bubble, I'm really freaking excited because that means I really, really like you and I want to spend more time with you. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please let me know down in the comments below. Just give me a thumbs up. And also, give me a thumbs up, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what kind of information you guys would like to hear from me next.